fam, today I am going to be teaching you how to go live with 1K subscribers or less with only two apps, YouTube and Streamlabs. If you guys want to know how, stay tuned for the video. Alright fam, so what you're going to do is you're going to log in with your YouTube account, which is the red bar right there. You're going to hit on that, log in with your YouTube account. Then you're going to choose the account you want to work with. Right now we're going to do Live Family Nation because it only has 148 subscribers. So here we go. Hey fam, so unfortunately the voice did not record, so do not pay attention to the lips because it will not sync. So here we go. Let's start it. So we're going to go through this app real quick. I'm going to show you on the sides how this app works before you even go live. So you're going to click the two lines on the top corner. There's going to be live editor, so on. Read it through. The first one that we're going to go into is editor. So click on editor. I'm going to give it a minute because I don't know what I was saying. Once you click editor, you can add your widgets onto the screen, okay? So you can pick your widgets. How to do that is at the bottom right hand corner, there's a little circle, a green circle. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on that. You could go ahead. Right now I'm playing around with the widgets. I don't know what I'm saying, but once you click on that, which should be right now, it gives you the options of what you can use. Alert box, chat box, which you could see your chat on the screen. Your alert box is going to give you alerts when people are subscribing to you, which I have. The two main things that I always have. You can put a donation ticker. It's all up to you. You can add text to your quality of your picture. You could put text on it. You could put pictures. You could put whatever you want. Obviously, it's just reading through. You'll have an idea of what to do on however you like it. You'll have an idea how to do it. Just click on it. Make sure that you highlight on stream, on preview. Very important, or else you will not see it once you're live. So make sure you have the boxes checked. You see how some are not checked and some are checked. Make sure those are checked on both. So now that's me just playing around with the photo that I just decided to add on there to show you guys that you can add whatever you want to. And I'm just trying to figure out what I'm saying right now. So just be patient with me. I don't know what I'm doing with my finger. Now I'm going into, I believe, settings. Settings, it's going to tell you streaming platform, Twitch preferences, mixer, broadcast, audio. I believe I'm taking you into broadcast. I believe I am. Because that is very important. That depends on the quality that you have on your thing. If you see that it's freezing a lot, you want to play around with that. The output resolution, guys, I recommend you guys keep it at 720p or 1080p for better quality. I do not recommend the 360p. That I do remember saying. You do not want to do 360, so try to keep it in between 720 and 1080. Then your frame rate, and let me see what else there is. The max video, the bit rate. Those play around with those depending on your live stream. You hear David in the background. He's trying to explain, but I don't hear him, so because I have headphones on trying to talk to you guys. Alright fam, so I don't know what happened to half of my videos. I must have not have recorded it, but what I'm going to do next in this next piece is I'm going to explain to you guys how to go on to the app, to hit the live stream, to add your title, and then I will show you what's next. So at the bottom screen, right corner, bottom screen, you're going to get a live symbol. Hit on that live symbol. After you do that, you should get this screen. Go live on YouTube. Hit the bottom. Create event. Create a new broadcast. Start immediate. Very important. Once you do that, you're going to create your event. You're going to put in your title. My title is Go Live with Less Than 1K Subs. Make sure you add your description and keep it on public. Fam, now here is the moment of truth. Will we be able to go live with 1K or less? Let's see. Alright guys, so I just went live with 148 subscribers. So as you guys can see, only 148 subscribers and I am live. David just subscribed.
I did?
Yep. I did? Really? He always needs attention. Alright, my brother? You always need attention. Let's continue. So that's what it shows when somebody subscribes on Streamlabs, so that's why it's important. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy the video,
If it helped you in any way.
and if it helped you in any way, comment down below, let me know. And if you want to see another tutorial on a video, comment down below, let me know. If you need help with anything else, also let me know. I appreciate you guys. Woo woo. Mwah. Love you guys.